Welcome back, students. This is a lecture again for Introduction to Film Studies by Dr. Tanveer Khadija, Department of English and Modern European and Asian Languages, Khwajamuddin Chishti, Language University, Lucknow. This session is the third session in the series, in which now I'll be dealing with the types of cinema and the technical aspects of cinema making. The various types of cinema which can be divided as art cinema, commercial cinema, parallel and new black cinema. These are the major four categories in which the cinema or filmmaking section has been divided. Art cinema basically appeals to the artistic sensibilities of the people. People who are more inclined, more creative in nature, who can appreciate the deeper meaning, or you can say the other levels they can study the cinema on. Second is the commercial cinema. The word commercial itself means that it should be commercially successful. So any entertainer, or in Bollywood terminology you can use the masala movies. All these come and fall into the category of commercial cinema. That means it has general public is appreciating this kind of cinema. They go to the theaters to enjoy it, and then they come back satisfied. Third is the parlor cinema. This is actually the critically acclaimed by film critics. Parallel cinema means that when the commercial cinema is also working, earlier there was a proper division. Some movies were categorized as art cinema, other movies were categorized as commercial or masala movies. Later on, what happened, this boundary line became a little blurred. And now we say parallel cinema is a word used. These movies can be commercially successful as well as they can be critically acclaimed by the film critics. For example, I can give you examples of Talwar, Razi. These are the two new movies which you must have gone through and you must be familiar with. Fourth category, new black cinema. This trend started in Hollywood. As you all know, that the country was a liberated country in which people from the African countries were also brought in as laborers, and they were treated as slaves in the agricultural field. Later on, Abraham Lincoln and King Martin Luther helped them to uplift. Once this upliftment took place, later on, they started establishing themselves in the field of art and culture, sports, in each and every field. So this new trend started building up, in which new black cinema was a major, you can say, a latest trend developed there in Hollywood. And these movies are basically dealing with the problems faced by the black people there. They are even, actors are also black, and even the directors are there, the writers are there. All these things are being introduced in new black cinema. Popular terms in use. The first term which you all are familiar with, box office. Everybody thinks, what is box office? Box office was basically in Elizabethan period. The aristocracy, if you remember, they used to sit on top. There was a box in the balcony, and they used to sit there and watch the plays. At that time, cinema was not there. Shakespearean plays were very popular, and the royalty or the aristocrat people who used to sit in the boxes and watch. And these tickets were sold for these plays in the offices. So the word box office originated from there. But today it is applied to the collection of money which is made by selling of the tickets, or which you that office which is there, na ticket window you must have seen when you go to purchase tickets for the cinema. That is the box office collection. On the basis of the collection at the box office, the rating, commercial rating in fact, is given whether the movie is successful or no. And if you keep following these kind of ratings which are given in the newspaper as well as in the news bulletin of the TV as well, you will find that this always right. They mention this, that the first day the collection was this much, second day it rose to this, or sometimes third day it drops also. So the collection at the box office is a kind of a determining factor about the commercially success of the movie. Second word is a superstar. You know the star word is there. Star means the somebody who is shining. But the word superstar, the first superstar in Bollywood was considered to be Rajesh Khanna. This term was used for Rajesh Khanna. The media started referring to him as superstar. Later on, this word has continued with and been associated with many other film stars as well. Basically, here what we notice is that commercially successful actor with back-to-back hits. So recently, if you notice that Akshay Kumar has also given back-to-back hits, he has been known as the superstar of Bollywood, and earlier you had Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. So many examples are there. Then we have got a method actor. The word is method actor. That means they are putting in a lot of preparation in their acting. One acting is known as that you just are spontaneous actors. On the other hand, there are some method actors. You can take the example of Amir Khan as such, Tom Hanks from Hollywood. These people, they do a lot of research work on the role which is being given to them. They study the role and then they put in a lot of preparation. Sometimes even they change their experience, their appearances also. Sometimes they gain weight, sometimes they lose weight, sometimes they have to look much more younger than their age, sometimes they have to look much more older than their age. All this methodology or methods which are used to prepare themselves as an actor, then they are known as method actor. Film review. Film reviews are special screening arranged for film critics before the release of the movie as such in the theater. Now every release is there. Prior to that, a private screening is there. In that private screening conducted, film critics are also invited so that they see the movie and after that they give their ratings. So the very next day before the suppose the film is supposed to in Bollywood, generally the films are released on Fridays, suppose. Then on Friday morning itself in the newspaper you will read film reviews. If you have been following Times of India, you will notice that at the bottom there's a rating of stars given that shows that whether this is a successful movie. Whatever they have rated, 1 2 3 4 stars are there. 4 is supposed to be for excellent, 3 for average, 2 below average, and 1 just poor. These are the ratings given in form of stars by the film critics as such. So this rating helps the audience to understand, and they also mention what kind of a movie it is and what kind of public it will appeal to, whether it's a family drama, whether it's a comedy, whether it's an action movie, whether it is more suitable for the adult audience. All this is also mentioned in the film review. We'll end the topic today, and the next topic will be taken over in your next lecture. Thank you very much.